goes on?
Just reading my book.
Look, I'm sorry about this morning, all right? You know, but Cat called and wanted to make out. You know, Cat. All right, you're still mad, but you won't be for long because I got you your very own sit and bounce. Come on, dude, I said I was sorry.
Yeah, I heard you.
Well, stop being mad at me.
I'm not mad at you. I'm done.
What is that supposed to mean?
I don't want anything to do with you anymore.
So what, are you gonna move out?
No.
This is the house where I live in.
I guess we'll be roommates until the day I leave for college. But that's all we'll be, is roommates. I'm done with you. I'm done.
What?
You really did it this time.
Come on, you know how many times Josh has been furious with me? I mean, he'll pout for a day or two and then he'll get over it.
I don't know. He sounded pretty serious.
Dude, it's been like 5 days. When are you gonna stop being mad at me?
I told you I'm not mad at you. I'm done with you.
Josh.
I mean it.
Josh! What? Look, I'm sorry.
Well, look, let me finish, okay? I was wrong, okay? I was wrong.
I need you way more than you need me, all right? I'm sorry. I just need you to understand that I'm sorry I'm probably the worst brother in the world. You're way better off without me.
Josh, would you like to go talk to Drake?